Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. Today, we're showing how to make stuffed grape leaves from using fresh leaves from your garden. Using fresh leaves tastes so much better, and it is so much less expensive than buying them in the store. You just go out to your grapevine and you cut off leaves that are nice. You don't want the ones that are torn at all. It's very easy to do. Next, boil some water in a large frying pan and put a few of the grape leaves at a time in the water, and you're going to want to just boil them a little bit until the color changes to kind of an olive color instead of the bright green color. You can see the difference. Then when you're all done, you're going to cut the stems off from the center there. That's where you actually cut the grape leaves off the grapevine. Those stems, you're going to do that for each leaf. This makes it much easier to roll the grape leaves. Okay, when you're finished, you're going to make the filling, which I just use equal amounts of rice and ground lamb, and I add some allspice for sure, garlic, onion, maybe parsley, salt and pepper. So put a little bit of the meat and rice in, fold over the flaps that are close to you, then the side flaps, and then roll. I show this 3 different times, so this is the first. Get your grape leaf, spread it out, put a little bit of rice and meat in. Now the rice and meat will expand when it cooks, so you don't want to put too much. Then you're going to fold over the flaps close to you, then the side flaps, and then roll it up and put it in your pan. One more time. Get your grape leaf, put a little bit of rice and meat. Now some people might use garbanzo beans and rice instead of meat and rice, and you can do that. I like the flavor of lemon rice, but you can also use beef as well. Put some water in your pan to about a half an inch above the grape leaves, and then you're going to find something that is a heavier weight so the grape leaves don't float up. I have like a little glass container in mine, but you can use a round dish or something like that if you need to. Then cover your pan and bring the water to a boil. Turn the heat down to simmer and boil it until the rice is done inside the grape leaves, about 20 to 40 minutes. I usually taste one to make sure it's done. And that's all it is. Thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms. If you like this video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I'm including this last video so you can see that sometimes the grape leaves tear, and that's just fine. Just go on to the next one.